Engaging in shared activities is a wonderful way to start building the very foundational skills for social play, and it's also a great opportunity to bring in some language. So Naya and I are going to engage in a shared activity of pulling tissues out of the tissue box. So I'm going to come down with her. Oh, nice work. Are you going to pull it out? Can you pull it? It's Naya's turn. Pull. Pull, pull, pull. Did you get it? Good work. Okay, Mama's turn. Oh, I have the yellow one. Naya's turn. You get it? I see you working really hard. Good job. Mommy's turn. Oh, you got the last one. Should we do it again?